So how about number two? What's number two that common mistake?
Yeah, so I think the second one I would say is not securing the trademark early enough. So for those of you who don't know, you may know, Just Do It or The Ultimate Driving Machine. These are, Nike and BMW, right? These are slogans, but there's swoosh, and you've probably seen the BMW logo, which is in the black and white,
yes.
And the blue circle, right? So you've seen these symbols you associate with cars, German cars, or sneakers and apparel. They're busy, right? They're just trying to sell as much boba as they can. But what's going to be important for you, because it's part of the franchise process, right, is like what I want as a franchisee is you as a franchisor, that you have the federal registration that no one else can use it, right? So
yes.
that it makes me comfortable buying a store, opening a franchise for
yes,
you,
that's right?
Because
that's right.
now I know you actually own the name.
You protect, you as the leader protect all of us that work under you or buying your brand.
Right.
Got
and so if I know that you have the registration certificate, right, it makes me feel better that, hey, you own it, and it's going to be harder for someone to come and challenge that ownership, right? As opposed if you don't get it, you can still operate a name depending on the circumstances, but you have to disclose to me as a franchisor, hey, I don't have the federal trademark registration yet. You as the franchisee may have to change the name later on because we don't have it yet, and we may be susceptible for third-party challenges against the name. So that process, I usually say get that done even before you want the franchising process. Just as a business owner, you want to protect your name so that no one else can use that name in the food service industry, because it will take, right now it's taking about at least a year to get the federal registration right now.
But from my understanding, as long as you start the process, you're somewhat protected until a year later.
Kind of. So like anything lawyerly, it kind of depends, but once you submit the application in, it does tell other people, like, hey, there's already application in. Then it might discourage other third parties from submitting their own application, because they'll see, oh, this name is too close, or it's the same exact name. We're not going to submit ours because our application is going to get rejected because Jimmy's company's already submitted an application. So obviously, the sooner the better is really what it comes down to for trademark applications.
Okay. So we're here in the U.S. This application for a trademark, does it also does it also cover Canada, or is it, how does it work?
Yeah, so there's no worldwide trademark registration, but for some countries that are part of this agreement, right, you can kind of extend your registration or applications to those particular countries. But at the end of the day, each country really has their own trademark registration system. So just because you have one automatically in the United States doesn't mean you automatically have one in any other country. So you still have to go through the process of getting registrations in those other countries.
Yes. I mean, have like 30, 40 boba store in America is good enough.
Yeah, I mean, right? Depends what you want. I mean, yeah, depends what you want. But obviously that's a fairly good system to have if you have 30, 40 stores. But if you have that many stores, no doubt that you will get inquiries from people from out of the country wanting to bring that concept back to their home country. So obviously you got to protect the name. You got to make sure you can get the supplies over there, or they can able to source your same quality supplies.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Because you can't get everything everywhere, and so, but for sure, you if you're going to go global, you want to make sure your name is protected in everywhere you go.
Got it. So like me being Vietnamese, right? Like if I don't own boba store, or I'm planning to, but for the sake of let's say I want to expand to Vietnam, right? Mm-hmm. Do you guys trademark in Vietnam for us as well?
Unfortunately, we don't, but we have local contacts there that can help with getting trademarks there. And yeah, as you've seen, Vietnam has grown many, rapidly developed in the last 20 or 30 years. So a lot of, first ones, right? KFC, right?
Yes, that's right.
Starbucks.
Oh, there you go.
Right? Those are all very popular franchises in the United States. So obviously, a lot of more American brands are heading over there. So it's a good market for the right franchisor.
Got it.